been working on my 1974 slash 75, I don't remember the year, Honda CB200D. I actually took the mufflers out because they were all pitted, like all bad like this, so I started making them a little shiny. Once I started doing that, I looked like, well, it seems like to change the oil and the filter and clean the filter, I have to like take the exhaust out. So I went ahead and drained the oil. You guys probably can see it. I took this out. It was down there. Let's see. I don't see if you can see it. Yeah, there you can see it. So it's right here. It was pretty dirty. Yep. No, but good thing is that I'm changing it. After doing all that change, well, I took that out. I needed to take this out because the filter. Oh, I took the back too. I'm cleaning it. I took the shocks out. I ended up replacing them because they were really dirty, and I couldn't clean them, and they needed to be like recharged. They were all like soft, so it's actually better to change it now. To clean the filter, it seems like the filter is here. I have to take all this stuff out, so I guess I'll move some different things. There's a good video online about how to change it, but I needed to take that peg because it will be out of the way. So it'll be in the way, so now it's out of the way. I have to just take this out, just one nut. I still don't know how I'm gonna take this out. Probably film a little bit about it. And this is how the project is going. Tank is, it was running last time we did it. We just drained the oil, left it, I ran it, and then now I drained it. Good.